Scholarship was one of my motivations in life that I got.
So I have received 100% scholarship.
The 100% scholarship has given me an opportunity to be a part of this amazing university.
For over 4 decades, MIT World Peace University has been a beacon of educational excellence, where innovation meets tradition and minds are ignited to create meaningful change. Here, we nurture not just scholars, but compassionate leaders equipped to shape a better world. At MIT-WPU, we believe that talent deserves every opportunity to thrive. That's why we offer over 2,000 scholarships each year, supporting bright, driven individuals who are ready to make their mark. From prestigious 100% scholarships to merit-based recognitions, our support helps students dream bigger and reach further.
My university has provided me with Dr. Vishwanath Karad Scholarship. This scholarship has contributed significantly to my academic journey, allowing me to do excellence in my education. It has opened up doors for my personal and intellectual growth.
And this 100% scholarship from MIT-WPU has enabled me to connect with like-minded people who believe in hard work and perseverance.
So I have received 100% scholarship and currently I am learning EC core in MIT-WPU. So my university has given me chance to connect with various people all around the world.
The 100% scholarship has given me an opportunity to be a part of this amazing university where I get to work in the well-equipped labs under the guidance of skilled professors.
Scholarship was one of my motivations in life that I got. So from early childhood I was interested in research, and that fulfillment was done by MIT-WPU.
These scholarships open doors, enabling students to pursue their passions, recognize their potential, and embark on journeys that inspire. Take the first step toward a future full of promise. Apply for an MIT-WPU scholarship today. Because here, we don't just educate, we empower the dreams that will shape tomorrow's Bharat.